This is a video on Class 8 Mathematics. This is the second part of Chapter 23, Perimeter and Area of Plane Figures. We will start with question number 9. Find the cost of carpeting a room 12 meter long and 8 meter broad with a carpet 75 centimeter broad at the rate of 116.50 per meter. So we can see that the length and breadth of the rectangle is given, and it is said that there is a carpet which is being laid on the floor. So let us first find out that what is the area of the room. So we'll write breadth of the carpet equals to 75 centimeter. So as we can see that all rest other figures are in meter. So we are converting the centimeter into meter. So 0.75 meter. So length of the room is 12 meter. Breadth of the room is 8 meter. So area of the room is equal to length into breadth. So 12 into 8 is equal to 96 meters square. Now how to find the length of the carpet? Because on the basis of the length of the carpet, we are going to find out the cost of the carpet. So length of the carpet is equal to area of the room divided by breadth of the carpet. So area of the room is 96 divided by breadth is 0.75. So both are in meters. Therefore, we'll get the length of the carpet as 128 meter. Now we can find out the cost of carpeting the room, which is the rate is already given as 116.50. So the cost of carpeting the room is length of the carpet, that is 128, into the cost per meter, that is 116.50. So the answer is rupees 14,912. So 14912. Moving on to the next question. Question number 10. A veranda 50 meter long and 12 meter broad is to be paved with tiles, each measuring 6 decimeter by 5 decimeter. Find the number of tiles needed. So length of the veranda is equal to 50 meter. Now converting meter into decimeter, there's a difference of 10. So it's a multiple of 10, I mean. So 50 into 10 will get 500 decimeter. Similarly, breadth of the veranda is 12 meter. So 12 into 10 is 120 decimeter. Area of the veranda is length into breadth. So 500 into 120 decimeter square. So I am keeping it as it is because later on we have to divide. So if you want to multiply it, you can do so, or you can keep it like this. Next is area of the tile equals to 6 into 5 decimeter square. So therefore number of tiles needed is area of the veranda divided by the area of the tile. So 500 into 120 divided by 6 into 5. So if we cancel this, so we'll get 2000 tiles. So number of tiles required to lay in the veranda is 2000 tiles. Moving on to the next question. Question number 12. A room 9.5 meter long and 6 meter wide is surrounded by a veranda 1.25 meter wide. Calculate the cost of cementing the floor of this veranda at rupees 28 per square meter. So we have made a figure over here. So let the room be EFGH and the room along with the veranda be ABCD. Okay, so this is along with the veranda and this is the room. So here length of the room, that is EF, is 9.5 meter. Breadth of the room EH is 6 meter. So area of the room EFGH is length into breadth 9.5 into 6, that is 57 meter square. Now how do we find the length of AB? So with EF or with GH, whatever you take, if we add the width of the veranda from both sides, we'll get the length of AB also. So what we have done, 9.5 was the length of the room. To that we have added the width of the veranda 1.25 plus 1.25, which is equal to 12 meter. Similarly, breadth is also, see, we have to include the width of the veranda from both sides. So breadth AD equals to 6 plus 1.25 plus 1.25 equals to 8.50 meter. So thus area of the room along with the veranda, or the whole figure ABCD, is equal to 12 into 8.50, which is equal to 102 meters square. So if I subtract the area of ABCD and the area of the room EFGH, will exactly get the area of the veranda. So area of the veranda equals to area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. So 102 minus 57 meters square, which is equals to 45 meters square. So what is the cost of flooring now? So the cost of cementing the floor of this veranda is rupees 45 into 28, that is the area into the cost, which is equals to rupees 1260. Question number 15. A rectangular hall is 22 meter long and 15.5 meter broad. A carpet is laid inside the hall, leaving all around a margin of 75 centimeter from the walls. Find the area of the carpet and the area of the strip left uncovered. If the width of the carpet is 82 centimeter, find its cost at the rate of rupees 124 per meter. So length AB is equal to 22 meter. That is, I have drawn the figure in the next slide. So the length of the room, or the length of the hall AB, as I have taken as 22 meter, and the breadth of the hall is 15.5 meter. So let's see the figure over here. So I have drawn the hall to be ABCD. Okay, and this inside, this is the carpet. EFGH is the carpet area. So we have left a width of 0.75 all around. So area of ABCD is 22 into 15.5, which is 341 meters square. Similarly, we can also find the length and breadth of this carpet, right? So length, how much of this EF will be? So from the total AB, if I deduct the width of the carpet from both sides, that is 0.75 plus 0.75, if it is subtracted from the total length of AB, we will get EF. So length EF equals to 22 minus 0.75 plus 0.75, which is equal to 22 minus 1.5, which is equal to 20.5 meter. Breadth EH, so similarly this also, from the total breadth we will be deducting 0.75 and 0.75. So 15.5 minus 0.75 plus 0.75 equals to 15.5 minus 1.5, which is equal to 14 meter. Number 1, area of the carpet EFGH. So 20.5 into 14 is 287 meters square. They have also asked us to find number 2, area of the strip left, which is area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. So just subtract 341 minus 287, which is equals to 54 meters square. And the last, width of the carpet. So we have to find the length of the carpet, and then we have to find the cost of it. So we were given the width of the carpet, which was 82 centimeter, which is equal to 0.82 meter. So we can find out the length of the carpet, that is area of the carpet divided by the breadth of the carpet. So 287 is the area of the carpet, EFGH area. Okay, area of EFGH. So 287 divided by 0.82, that is equal to 350 meter. Now why the length of the carpet is required? Because generally when we go to buy clothes, so you'll see that with the length of the cloth, the amount of the cloth is related. So that is why we want the length of the carpet in order to find the cost. So 350 meter is the length of the carpet. So thus the cost of the carpet is equal to 350 into 124, which is equal to rupees 43,400. So that's it for this part. Thank you for watching.